Hello everyone. Hope you're doing great and enjoying the game development. And first, just learning the Unity. So welcome to the series Learn Unity 101 on programming hash. And if you like my videos and my channel, please subscribe to the channel and like the videos, thumbs up. If you don't like, then it's also okay, no problem. Okay, then we start with today's topic, that is about project window. This is project window or tab, one tab that we use during the development, and we will explore all the features that are available in this tab and how we can use them to work very efficiently with the Unity. So we'll start without delaying anything. Okay, so this is the tab where we can navigate all the assets or the project files in our application. So whenever we start this project, this window opens, and if by chance you somehow close this window or accidentally, like let's say this tab is not here and you don't find it, so the easy solution is you just go on top Windows window and then you go to general and there is the project tab. So you click here and your project tab is here. So you now have to dock it. So dock we have seen in our previous video of Unity layout interface. So you can dock it anywhere you want, but we will keep it in our default or the pro layout that we are using in our this series learning Unity. So we have docked our project window here, and we see it has assets and everything that we have from our demo game, and this is the scene. So we are not going top on top. We will stay in the project window for now, and we have seen like how if the window is closed, how we can open it again. Okay. Next, we have different layout for this project window. We can have one column or two column layout that you can change. Like you right click here. Currently, it is two column layout. It means it has one hierarchy here, and the elements inside any folder is in the second column. So the first column is basically the hierarchical representation of all the project data or assets, and with using these small arrows we can basically collapse them or expand them. And if I click FPS, you see the second column shows all the elements that are inside the FPS. So we can click here, and it can, if the hierarchy is not a folder, the folder has files, so this one will shows us the files and the preview of those files in the second column. And the other one is one column. In one column layout you don't have the preview there, you just have everything in the hierarchical view, so you don't have the second column here on the right side. So we just have one column on the left side in one column view. So I personally recommend and I like to work with the two column layout, and so we'll continue with that. So the next thing is favorites, and you see on top of assets there's one thing written as favorites with a good golden star. And in this thing we can, if we want to search some things quickly, uh, let's say we want to go to all the materials or the models or the prefabs, we just select any of them, so it will do a quick search. So these are basically some searches that are already favor, we can say added into this favorite thing, and we quickly can access these type of objects if we just press any of search here. So we can add more searches here, but I will tell you how just a little after telling how to search in project bar. So the project window has a toolbar. You see here, this is the toolbar of project window from here till here. So you see here is a plus sign, and if the plus sign is a create menu, so we will use this create menu a lot when we will work with our own games. When we press on this plus sign, we see all the things that we can create here. So if I want, I create something, this is a prefab, or let's say it's audio. do I have some option to create some? Okay, no, it's a script. So I just press here, go to C# script, and you see here a new script is created, or the code piece is created. So I just rename it my first script. And similarly, we can just use this create menu. If we want to create some materials, we can just go in art. In art, we have materials, and we can again press the create menu, and I want to create my material, and I just name it black material. Okay, sorry. So this material is created here. So this from the project window, the top bar with this plus sign we use for creating the menu. The other way of creating something is we just right click in the second column, or we just right click on the folder, and here we have on top this create, and we can select anything that we can create. So we can create the things in assets folder by using three different ways, using this toolbar top plus sign, right click in the second column, or right click in the first column and go to create menu, and similarly here going to create menu. So this create menu is shortcut, and it's saved here in the top bar of project window. Then we come to the search bar menu. Let's say we created something material, and we know the name of that material. We take the example of the current material that we created, and we named it as black material. So I type black and material, and you see it found this black material for me, this search bar. So we can use this search bar to find the assets quickly. If we know their name, we just type it here, and it will find within the whole assets folder. So there's a trick here, like it can find in assets folder in packages. Packages are here, so Unity is shifted to the package based development tool, so we will explore the packages later, but we currently are just searching in the assets folder. You see it's selected here in assets. If we want to search everything means we select this all, and then it will search in assets folder, it will search on asset store, it will search in packages, whatever is there in the project window, it will search there. And okay, asset store I will tell in a moment what is this, but currently we are just searching in assets, so we can use this search bar to search in the assets. And then we have few buttons here that we can use. So this button is search by type. Search by type means we have animations, audio clip, audio mixer, font, GUI, skin, material, mesh, whatever. We just select the type. Let's say I want to search some animation clip. I press this. So it has found all the animations clips that are in assets folder and bring them in front of me. And we have a cool feature to favorite this search. So I press this star sign, and this search is created here, new favorite. So I can select A and write here as animation clips. So now I don't even have to go there whenever I want to search the animation clip. I know my favorite search is here. So I just press here, and I have my all animations there. So you see the power of using this window. You want to do something again and again, you just put that search into the favorites, and that works perfectly fine. And you don't have to go through all the hierarchy to find something or remember the name of that thing to write here. So the first thing is search by type, and the second thing is search by label. So the things that are labeled, we can search them here. So let's say I select something character. So I don't have anything labeled as character in my assets, but it is showing me that in asset store there are characters are available. So what is asset store? Asset store is an online store, like you have the store for mobile applications on Android Play Store and for iPhone iStore, and similarly Unity has created this asset store for a very cool platform where you can find a lot of assets. So they are free or they are paid, depends. And if I click on asset store, now it will start finding this character label stuff on asset store, you see. And let's say I need some character in my game, so I quickly just find here, okay, this character, which one I like. So I just click on that, and then here in inspector we have option to open in asset store. So we will see that later when we will open, we'll go to the asset store window. But if we open this asset store window, it will take us to the asset on asset store, and then we can buy it if it is for some price, or it has some cost. Otherwise, if it is free, then we can just download it. That we will see later. But yeah, this was the search by label, search by type. Then we have seen like how we can save the search into the favorites, this animation clips, we created that. And then the last thing is this hidden packages. So the mainly piece of the assets that we work with are in assets folder, and these packages are, when you create a project, some of them are created with the Unity, and you can also create your own custom packages, but currently we are not going into that depth. So we can toggle this button just to hide the packages, and if we don't want to hide them, we can toggle it again and we can see these packages here too. So we have search bar, search by type, search by label, and then we have these hidden packages. And now we see some search filters. We have this button, search by type. It's quick, but if you are you want to write, and you like to write as a good developer, so we just if we want to search it by type, we press T colon, and the type, I type animation. And then if you want to type it by label, then you can just write the L colon and then the name of the label. And this we can also do a very nice thing of combining the types or combining the labels, so we can search more than one type in one search. So let's say it's T animation, and I also want to search T scripts. Okay, so scripts is not a type here, so let's see what types we have. Let's say audio clip, so I type T animation, T audio clip, and now you see my search has the animations and the audio clips. So I can use this search bar to find the available different types and bring them in one search from all the assets folders that are available currently, because here it is selected assets. So this is search filters here. We can also save the search, we know that. Perfect. Another shortcut is like if you press the Alt key and press this small arrow, it will expand everything till the last leaf node of the hierarchy. I press Alt, press here, and you see it has expanded all the folders that are here in FPS. And if I press the Alt and press again this left click of the mouse, it will collapse all of them. And if I do without pressing the Alt button, it will just open the next available hierarchy in this folder, not all the hierarchies till the last leaf folder. So yeah, this is another cool trick. If you want to see open all the hierarchy at once, just press the Alt and left click and it will open everything here. Okay, so another cool trick, and now we go to some shortcuts that we can use, and the shortcuts that can be helpful while you are working. So I'm doing it one by one, so I just press this and it's so the first shortcut is maybe we can use also the tab button, this tab on keyboard. This tab will shift the focus between right and left column. In one column you will not have this shortcut, but in two column it will work fine. And if you quickly want to search something, you just press Ctrl F, and on iOS you press Command F, and you can, your search bar window will be focused, and you can type here anything and you can find it. And delete is, you can also delete something just pressing the delete button, and if you do shift plus delete, it will not ask you that are you sure to delete, it will just delete it. But if you just press the delete button, it will ask you. And the other one is shift plus delete. I am not gonna delete that because it will not ask and my folder will be deleted. We can use control plus down arrow, control plus right arrow, it will open the hierarchy, and if you press Control plus left arrow, it will close the hierarchy or collapse it. So expand and collapse can also be done with the Control plus left and Control plus right arrow. The other thing is, if you want to use keyboard and just expand everything, just press Alt Control and right arrow, Alt Control left arrow. So it will expand and collapse till the last folder node. And then we have, I think, everything covered in the project window. So this is it for this video, and in next video we will continue for next tab, that is scene view. And yeah, that's it for now. And if you like the video, please like it, share it, subscribe it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.